Go.
Junior, the line's right here. Get behind me.
Go. I don't have much space on this thing, so like, jump.
Get off the board. Yeah, both of you guys get off the board, okay?
One at a time. Get off the board.
No! You hit me!
Dad, don't hit him.
Okay, go.
On.
Okay, they don't.
John, you can go after him, alright? Alright, John, you're next.
Okay, Mr. Never getting on.
Try to
Dramatic.
jump high, really high.
No.
Yeah, you have to jump super high.
Oh!
Are you alright? Come here.
Junior, you have to wait until they're clear.
Did he kick in the eye? Did he hit you in the eye?
Let's see the video.